Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to download our new Canvas learning management system and utilize it effectively for your children and your students. So we're going to start by going to the App Store on your phone or your tablet, and we're going to search for Canvas, and we're going to add in Instructure just to make it easier to find exactly the Canvas app we want. And you'll see it comes up with a student version there and a teacher version. We want the student one. Mine says open because I've downloaded it already, but yours will ask you to download. And once it's loaded, it will look just like these icons right here. And we're going to click on it, open it up. The next step is to find my school. We're going to enter in here Kleos, and you'll see it'll come up with Kleos Open Learning Parent, Kleos Open Learning Student or Teacher, and we want students and teachers at this point. Here's where you're going to enter your child or your student's Kleos email address that was given to you. So it's first name dot last name, and I'm going to enter just a pretend student that we've made up, Mr. Bugs Bunny, at kleos.ca, and the password that was given to you. If it's a brand new student, it will just be Kleos 2019. If it's a student that was with us previously, it will be your same password as last year. If you have not logged into Canvas on a desktop, you will need to go through with your new account and accept it for Kleos, Google. Otherwise, it'll take you right to the Canvas dashboard. So this is what your Canvas dashboard will look like. Similar, obviously your student will have different courses. None of this will show up until the first day of school, but this is typically what it will look like. You'll see there are cards here, we call them Canvas cards, that have your courses. So I've just thrown in a couple random just examples on my dashboard down here. So if I go into Science, it'll come up with some things I can easily access, Google Drive, BrainPop if I want to, but my homepage will be where I will start with my course. And most courses will be set up very similar to this. We'll have a nice picture and modules. Now this particular one, it's module 1's highlighted and not the other one, so it means I'm not able to access those yet at this point. So if I click on module 1, it'll be a little a welcome to that module, a little bit about it maybe, and then you're going to start off with the very first tab you see in this one. It's a notebook. It'll give me examples of or instructions of what I'm supposed to do, submitting the assignment. If I go to a lesson, it'll have a lesson example here and assignment to submit. So if I wanted to submit the work, I would just go on submit and how I want to submit it. It's super easy to navigate, and you just use the back buttons to get back to your page that you need to go on to navigate. So just back and forth. I could go to lesson 2, read what I'm supposed to do, click on links to open something up. If there's something to read, I can open it up and read it there. Always using the back button. Can watch a video. It'll bring me here exactly where I need to go. And just clicking the back button there to bring me back. I can go into that course again or into a new course. You can use the tabs at the bottom as well to dashboard. So this is my other course now. This one's set up a little bit differently, and I'm seeing the link's not showing up for the picture. But I could click September, and then what I need to do for my lessons. BrainPop video is showing there. That plot would be a link to click on BrainPop. And my instructions here. Now along the bottom, you'll see there's dashboard, calendar, to do, notifications, and inbox. To go back to my main page, I just go to dashboard. Calendar is kind of a handy function sometimes to easily check and see assignments that are due. So I can see these ones that have the blue dots. These are assignments that are due. I can click back to go, and there's one there do. This is just a test. To-do list will tell me things that are coming up, so things that I might need to do in the next week or so. Notifications, so this might be if a teacher has sent some feedback, it might show up in the notifications here. And then inbox, this is where you will want to message your teacher, and just by clicking the plus sign at the top, and you can select a course that you want to message to and maybe who you want to send that to. So teachers, TAs, our education assistants and mentors at Kleos are going to be set up as TAs, and then other students there that may be in the class with you. And that's pretty much it. I've just clicked on there the 3 little lines at the top, and those are how you can find different features. Like if there's some files that are showing up in your course, you can access it that way, or changing settings and that sort of thing, or logging out. So pretty simple and pretty easy. I hope you have fun with it.